Good morning, everybody. It is a proud moment to be together for this assembly on the Commonwealth Day. The day is specially marked by Commonwealth nations every year. The Commonwealth family consists of 54 member countries like India, Pakistan, England, Malaysia, South Africa, Bangladesh, Canada, UK, Sri Lanka. The Commonwealth Association is a voluntary association of these 54 member countries, which was formed in the mid-20th century with some shared goals in democracy and development. The association aims to link countries for sports, culture, education, law and charity. The mandate of this very large organization is to strengthen civil society by providing policies and setting priorities for good governance, respect for human rights, gender equality, poverty eradication, and sustainable people-centric development are its priorities. The Commonwealth Day 2014 has its theme as Team Commonwealth, which emphasizes on the importance of teamwork and collaboration both within the country as well as amongst the member countries. It is a day to express the spirit of friendship, motivation and camaraderie amongst members. Here at Kulaji Hansraj Model School, we wish to acknowledge the day by inculcating a sense of responsibility in the youth through participation in the world's biggest assembly today. The day will be marked by a video conference later in the day with partner schools in various parts of the world. Children of partner schools will be sharing experiences through this conference. The celebration of the Commonwealth Day sets the tone for the 20th Commonwealth Games to be held in Glasgow, Scotland in July 2014. The Games will have over 70 participating nations and will be one of the biggest events of the Commonwealth Association. Kulaji Hansraj Model School, Delhi, a part of this bid with British Council in this initiative. Thank you.